Hi guys, welcome back. And I'm going to show you about how many eggs there are in here. Some of these are not these guys' eggs, but don't worry because it will be okay. Look at all those eggs. See all those? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 eggs in here. And there's a lady over here. She's laying. You can't see her, but she's over there. She's laying her eggs. And yeah. So I'm going to show you some new things about the coop. These guys are eating outside over here. Yesterday it was really muddy, and these guys, here we go. There you go. See that one over there? She's nesting. There's a fighting one in here. That guy, but he's hurt. That guy, he's hurt. But it's alright. These chickens, these guys are right here. Come on. They like to eat grass and stuff. And here's another chicken right there. She's good. And there's a pretty guy right there. And there's this really pretty one. See that one right there? He's really pretty, but he's still a baby. He's about a couple months or weeks old. And if you see over there, it's the silkies. And we come out here. These are the other chickens that are going, that are not ours, but there are people that come here too and take care of the chickens. Over here too. More chickens over here. It goes all the way over there. But there are a lot of chickens. You see that rooster right there? He is super big. Wow. Not as many chickens, but still super. These guys over here. Oh, look at those little chicks. So cute. It's great. See how they want to come out? These ones over here too. The chicks. You know, they're starting to grow up. That one looks like the mom. On the other side, these are not all of ours. See that dude right there? But these are other people's chickens. And they're both at the land that we have here. These are like, oh, that's a big one. That's really nice and pretty. But these are really cool because just didn't know chickens molt. And what molting means means that they grow new feathers. What the heck is that? Is that real? It is real. Look how pretty that is. See that one? Right there, that one's super pretty. There's only a couple chickens over here, but it's alright. They're still really pretty. I don't know if that's a chicken, but that one's really pretty. And see, these are really big over here. These are nice chickens. And then these are over here. And then this one up here And then there's one over there. See that one? It's alright, but that guy over there. Look at that little rooster right there. Look at those little roosters. So cute. Look at those little chicks. Aren't they the cute, little cute ones? And this guy, he is amazing. He's a scaredy cat though. He is very metallic. That's really good. And this over here, these are super cool. But these over here, they're not the biggest, but they're really awesome. Like that dude right there, that chicken. That's really awesome. But thank you for watching this video. That's all I'm going to show today. But yeah, make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel today. So bye.